Welcome back to the BMC Mainframe channel. Today our guest speaker will be Ross Cochran. Welcome, Ross.
Thank you, Joel. Well, this is Ross Cochran, today talking about the next step on our mainframe cost optimization journey. Specifically, let's talk about how to change that nagging GMT offset inside of Cost Analyzer for Z Enterprise. As we all know, we have LPARs running inside CPCs that may have an offset, i.e. offset from the Greenwich Mean Time. How do you make sure that that offset matches what is inside BMC Cost Analyzer for Z Enterprise? The first thing that Mike suggests that you need a GMT offset is if you go down to the rolling 4-hour average peak. In my case, I have two CACs, one at 8:46 and one at 14. You can see that down there toward the bottom on the screen. And I can see the date and time that which each happened. What you want to do is take that date and time and that value, go to section N5, as in Nancy 5, of your SCRT report and see if they match. Odds are they will not match. Your rolling 4-hour peak, the value itself, in this case 8:46, will probably match. However, the date and time of the rolling 4-hour peak, first one, that will probably be different. Figure out by looking at what's inside BMC Cost Analyzer for Z Enterprise and what's inside your SCRT report, figure out the difference in time. Once you have that value, for example, in my case, all my LPARs are in a central time zone. For most of the year, that means 5 hours off of GMT. So what I would do, I would click on the administration tools, go to Manage Model Builder Task, click on the guy in the middle, and then say Modify. Down here in the lower left-hand column, you can see the offsets. Now, a popular misbelief is that you go negative. Now, let me help you. Always, if you're in North America, go positive. So in my case, it's going to be 5. So I will pick 5, say Modify Task, and say Save Changes. To make this 100% implemented, I want to rebuild my BMC Cost Analyzer for Z Enterprise. I'll want to rebuild my model at this time. A couple of ways of doing that. The simplest way is go to the upper right-hand corner, click on the gray ball where it says all tasks are sleeping, and then click on right next to what I call the blue running man where it says Run Now. Find your date and time where your data applies. In this particular case, I think we were looking at August 2018 data, and say Submit. Now, depending on the size of your environment, how many CACs, how many LPARs, this could take a few minutes, this could take 30 seconds. We won't wait around for this to happen, but when it's through, the R4 inside the BMC Cost Analyzer for Z Enterprise will now match the value inside your SCRT report. That's all I have for today, so Joel, take it away.
Thank you so much, Ross, and thanks to all our viewers. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.